One thing I miss about living in Florida is that crispy fried chicken from Publix. Don't worry, Unc's got the recipe. First, let's make that marinade. 2 cups of buttermilk, and then half a cup of this right here, the Dirty Bird Rub. 13 herbs and spices, all you need to make this chicken bussin'. Get it from UncleDibs.com. Mix and cover, let it marinate overnight. Now, the next day, get you a big bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of self-rising flour, and then 2 tablespoons of some more of that Dirty Bird Rub. Now, grab your chicken out the fridge, and then grab some soda water. Pour that into another bowl. Dredge your chicken in that flour mixture. Make sure it's well coated, shake off any excess, and then we're just gonna dunk 2 times that chicken in that soda water. Place your chicken back into the dry mix, recoat it, and then set it to the side. This is gonna make that chicken extra crispy, extra juicy, extra bussin'. Fry your chicken in peanut oil. Make sure you heat it up to 350. It's gonna drop down to about 300. Just make sure you keep it between 300 and 320. Make sure your chicken gets to an internal temperature of 165. Full recipes in the caption or the link in my bio, but listen to this crunch. That's good, shorty.